Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we are going to be talking about the Friend with Benefits Melissa Laurel Masturbator. So let's get started. So this is the Melissa Laurel Masturbator itself. And as you can see, it's a very impressive sized masturbator. And this really does turn your desires into reality. This realistic model has a silky soft and realistic feel too. The interior is designed with stimulating nubs that add that extra level of stimulation. The material also bends and moves easily to your rhythm during penetration. Now, when using the Melissa Laurel, we recommend for you to use a water-based lubricant for extra comfort during use, and make sure to clean after every use using either toy cleaner and a dry lint-free cloth, or you can also use a mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water. And that is the Friend with Benefits Melissa Laurel Masturbator. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you again next time.